Boker Tov, everyone. This Shabbat, Perashat Bemidbar, is the Shabbat prior to the holiday of Shabuot. We call the Shabbat that introduces Shabuot, Shabbat Kala, because Bnei Israel and Borei Olam entered into a relationship the same way a husband and wife do. So we are the Kala. It's like a wedding. We're marrying Hashem. And so we call the Shabbat, Shabbat Kala. Our minhag is to use Makam Hoseni. Hoseni is the Makam affiliated with Matan Torah. Anytime we read Aseret HaDiberot, such as Perashat Yitro and Perashat Ve'et Hanan, we use Makam Hoseni. We also have a minhag of incorporating special Pizmonim related to Matan Torah, Aseret HaDiberot, and Shabuot specifically in this week's Tefillah. First being Bahar Dodi, which is found on page 344 in the Red Book, and it says here, Shir le'aseret hadiberot. It goes as follows. Bahar Dodi, Bahar Dodi, Bahar Dodi be'ammo, Bahar Dodi, Bahar Dodi, Bahar Dodi be'ammo. And all of the stanzas follows the exact same melody. We also have the minhag of using Ahalel ve'abiyah, found on page 220, and on the bottom it says Lematan Torah. It goes as follows. أهلل وأبيا لا الأشر هوفيا مما رم بهوديا عوز لبتا أيوما نوره إر من مزرح لعمتنها إزرح وغم السعير زرح سافو نغبا وياما. Another Pizmon found on page 255. It says right up here, Le Shabuot, a special Pizmon for Shabuot, Yedidi Hashachachta. It goes as follows. Yedidi Hashachachta Hanotecha Beben Shaddai Ve'atani Tashtani Semitod Lema'bidai Dai 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 Daya Lasara Daya. And lastly, the most famous one, the Ikar of Shahrit, is to use Da'at Zema, which is a song for Aseret HaDiberot, found on page 334 on the bottom. It goes as follows. Da'at Zema ve'imre chochma yoter mehema yom deber Moshe. We fit that for Naktishach in this week's Shahrit. Lastly, we also incorporate the tunes from the Azharot, which we read on Shabuot, into the Tefillah as well. There's the Reshut for the Azharot, the introduction, and then there's the Azharot themselves. The Reshut goes as follows. Amoni yom hazeh, nahalu am hazeh, al yad hozeh, isha Elohim. And the Azharot themselves. Shemor libi ma'aneh, hey b'mod ne'aneh, yiraha elomene debarav haysharim. And all of these melodies will be incorporated into the tefillah. Hoseni is built off of the bayat scale. It emphasizes the fifth note in the scale and also resolves on the first note as bayat does. So let's begin with bayat. Bayat. Hoseni, 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 Bayat, Hazak Baruch.